Hello. Today we are going to discuss selling lower priced items on Poshmark versus other sites like Mercari and eBay, specifically in this instance Mercari. So we have a pair of Funky Socks donut socks that are listed on Poshmark currently, and I was crunching some numbers and getting some offers and doing the math, and I'm coming up with a big epiphany. For lower price items, it is substantially better to sell them on Mercari than it is to sell them on Poshmark. And this is the reason why. Say, for example, if somebody offers you an offer of $5 for this pair of socks on Poshmark, you are going to pay as a buyer $12.11 because it's $5 plus $7.11 for the shipping. So the total is $12.11. From that amount, from that $12.11 that you're paying, because it was a $5 sale price, the seller is only making $2.05. Now here's a huge difference. Over on Mercari, you can list the same exact pair of socks for $8 instead of $5. Shipping over there for this pair of socks, because it's small and it's light, is only $2.99. So your payment, your total for the as a buyer is only $10.99, which is $1.12 cheaper than the $5 offer over on Poshmark because of their flat shipping fee. And yes, sometimes they do drop the prices for offers for likers, or they will say, drop your price by 10% and we will basically cover the $2.12 shipping and offer $4.99 shipping to your seller, to your buyers rather. But to qualify for that, it has to be at least $10. So again, for these smaller items, it does not qualify. So you're still paying the full $7.11. So in this instance, the $8 sale price on Mercari plus the $2.99 shipping is only $10.99. That is a difference of $1.12, even though it looks like you're paying more, as the retail price would be $8 versus $5 on Poshmark. Because of the shipping, which is substantially different, you are paying more on Poshmark. Now, looking at this exact same pair of socks, you're paying $12.11 on Poshmark for a $5 offer because of the $7.11. You're paying less to Mercari with $8 offer with $2.99 shipping. However, profit-wise, get this. Your difference is you're saving $1.12 by buying on Mercari. However, the seller is actually making $5.15 more by you buying this on Mercari, because they get their profit based off of the sale price. $5 on Poshmark means they're still paying the $2.95 Poshmark seller fees, plus any taxes if that's from a state that requires you to pay taxes. However, with the $8 sell, they are making $7.20 on that item because 10% is being taken out, which is only 80 cents. So in that one pair of socks, they're making $2.05 profit minus any taxes on Poshmark. They're making $7.20 on this pair of socks. Again, with a difference of $5.15. So you're paying less, and the buyer is paying less, and the seller is making substantially more. That's almost 3 times more. Like, it's 2.5 times more if the buyer buys this on Mercari than it is for Poshmark. So if you're wondering why a lot of your lower price items are just sitting on Poshmark and not selling, that's why. Because, again, think about it. For a $5, $8, whatever this item is, you're paying basically double that because of the mandatory $7.11 flat shipping. It's beneficial if the cost of your item is a little bit higher, $15, a little bit above that. Otherwise, for the seller, you're getting a flat fee charged to you of $2.95 as a seller fee, regardless. So I've had situations where I'm like, you know what, let me just get rid of this item for the minimum that Poshmark allows you to sell something, which is $3. I sold the item for $3, thinking like, you know what, I'm not making anything off of this, but I just want to get rid of it. If it's sat in my closet for 6 months and I'm just ready to donate it, I'm like, meh, I'd rather give it to somebody on Poshmark, let them have a good deal. Somebody buys it for $3, they pay $7.11, so they've paid $10.11 for that item. I look at my receipt when it sold, I made 5 cents. However, I was charged on that sale for $3, so I got charged another, what was it? It was only like 15 cents or something. But basically, I paid money to sell that item. Because Poshmark still charges you $2.95 out of that $3 item, that was a nickel that I would have made. However, that nickel was taken out and then some. So I lost money by selling a $3 item on Poshmark. So do not sell your items for $3. Even with $4, you're making $1.05 minus any taxes. It's not worth it. When the buyer is still having to pay $11 for that item, like that's just silly. $11.11 to be exact. So, moral of the story is if you have lower price items, unless people are bundling them and making a substantial bundle over $15 or adding them to a higher price item, it just is not worth selling lower price items on Poshmark. I would do it on eBay or Mercari, and kind of steer clear of Poshmark for those items because they just don't move. Thanks.